Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video we're going to talk about keyword research for YouTube automation. In my opinion, doing YouTube research and doing keyword research is the most important thing, because if you want to create a video, you want to make sure the video you want to make is going to rank, because YouTube is the second search engine on the world right now after Google. So if you wanna make a video about anything, you wanna make sure there's people looking for this video and your video doesn't have a lot of competition and you're gonna rank for it. This is really important. It's the same concept that people use to create blog posts, like these niche posts and stuff. And it's the same concept that's been used for all major creators. Literally everyone, from YouTube automation to personal brands, everyone. So doing keyword research is the first thing you do before you start doing anything, is you look for the subject. So to do keyword research, basically you need one tool and one tool only, in my opinion, which is VidiQ. VidiQ it's a keyword research tool and a Chrome extension. You can use it for free, and it does have a paid plan. You need the paid plan to get everything. It's well worth it. It's an investment into your YouTube channel. If you are serious about your YouTube channel, I left a link in the description for you guys. It's an affiliate link. It's my first affiliate link ever, so if you want to sign up through it, it's going to help me a lot. Thank you. So VidiQ. How to start with VidiQ? You go to the Chrome web store or just Google it, and then you install it. You create a free account, and then you sign in, and then you link your VidiQ to your YouTube channel. It's completely safe. Don't worry about it. Some people worry about it. If it's not safe, is it safe? Nothing is gonna happen. Millions and millions of users been doing this. It's fine. It's completely safe. It's trusted by YouTube, so it's fine. So this you see here, this is the homepage for VidiQ, or you can access it from here. You go to the extension and create your next video, and voila. The first thing I do before I do anything is I go to keywords. And here I look for keywords that I'm sure I'm gonna rank for. Not number one, maybe number two, maybe number three, but I'm gonna rank for it. I'm gonna get views for it. Because I tried before, and believe me, we all try to make videos. We thought it's interesting, and it's getting no traction because no one is looking for it, or there's just a lot of competition for it. So you're not gonna rank for it. No one's gonna click on your video. It's just a new channel competing against these millions and millions of subscribers. So the first thing you need is I call it a seed keyword, which is a broad keyword related to your niche, of course. So for me, it's I make videos about YouTube, how to launch your YouTube, how to optimize your YouTube automation, AI stuff, tools. So let's say, for example, we want to create a video about AI, AI tools. I come to keywords and I look for AI, just a broad keyword. And then I look for it. And here's the metrics. There is 6 million searches monthly on it. So that's good. The competition is really high, which is good, but we want something we can rank for. So you can go to related keywords, which are keywords related to AI, which is like artificial intelligence, generative AI. I'm pretty sure you're gonna find machine learning and stuff. This is related. Or you can go to matching terms, which are matching phrases. Whatever you put here is gonna match it here with another keyword. And you have questions. Some people only do questions keywords. how to do this, how to do that, and they niche down a lot. We're not gonna do this. We might find something interesting, but we're not gonna do it today. So for me, matching terms is always the thing I do. I go to matching terms. I don't pay a lot of attention to these metrics. I think it's just predictions. For me, finding a good keyword, it's just a matter of like niching down and finding these long tail keywords. So AI video generator is looking interesting. So you hit that, that's it. And then now it's here. This is a new keyword. Again, matching terms. Let's find something. Free text to video AI generator. Free image to video AI generator. Leonardo AI video generator. This looks interesting. We hit that. Again, now it's the keyword we're looking for here. And then we go to matching terms. You see, we are niching down. We started with AI and now we're niching down into like more and more long tail keywords. So we have AI animation video generator like Leonardo. Leonardo AI video generator ChatGPT. Leonardo AI video generator realistic. Looks promising. Leonardo AI video generator tutorial. Let's try that. Let's try it. So this is the first part, which is finding the keyword. Now we're gonna go and actually look for it. So you select that, you go all the way down, you hit copy, and then you open a new incognito mode, and then you go to YouTube, and then you look for it. This is the keyword we found, and then you hit Control F, and then you look for it. So there's the first one is here, which is the phrase we were looking for. Let's see. Leonardo AI video generator tutorial. Leonardo AI tutorial for beginners in 12 minutes. So here's the thing. Let's go to this channel. So this is not a big channel. So this is not a big channel, and I'm pretty sure we can make a better thumbnail, and we can refine the title. The second one is a very long. The length of the video is really important because YouTube rewards longer videos for retention purposes. This is a good video, but they don't use the same keyword we're looking for. We need an exact keyword. So I think this is a good keyword, and I'm pretty sure we can rank for it. So you just take it and you just open a spreadsheet. So this is a possible video you could make that you're gonna rank for it, which is Leonardo AI video generator tutorial. Let's look for something else. Let's go back. AI video generator. Let's see. AI music video generator. Let's click that. Matching terms. This looks interesting. So let's take this keyword again. Go to YouTube. We look for it. We come here. We look for it. And nothing. There is no one. And if we go and check there is 2,000 618 people looking for this keyword monthly. So if you rank, if you make a video, so if you make a video about this keyword here, AI 3D animation music video generator, you're gonna get 2000, roughly 2000 views monthly, because you can rank for it. There's no competition. So this is a good keyword. So you just go and copy it and paste it here, and then you go again. Let's try AI music. Let's try AI music. Matching terms, AI music video generator, free AI music generator. No copyright. Let's try this. Matching terms, AI music generator. Let's try this. YouTube. Look for it. Again, nothing. We need to look for someone who made a video with the same exact keyword in their title, which is free AI music generator, no copyright. So no one, literally there's no one, 0. So this is a good keyword. And then you go, this is your content calendar basically. So here, and you can refine it a bit. Say for example, and then you just refine it like AI, like this, and then the music, and then the no copyright, just put in brackets, and then you can always just add here, so 2025, and now it's a clickable, just free AI music generator 2025, no copyright, and this is a clickable YouTube title that there is no competition for. Where is it? It's here, and go to overview. There's 5,000 people that is actually looking for this keyword, and the competition is low. So this is, in my opinion, this is the best way to do keyword research. And you can even do niche research. You'll look for your niche, for your next niche, for your next venture, for your next YouTube channel. I always start with the keyword research with VidiQ. The second thing you can do with VidiQ is, let's say for example you decided you're gonna make a video about the free AI music generator 2025, no copyright, and then you actually made the video, which is good, and then the video is long, and then you made the thumbnail with everything all good, and now you wanna make you wanna optimize the video when you do the upload. So what I do is, the keyword is still here, or you just go and copy it. Let's say for example this is the next day. You go to VidiQ, you go to keywords, and then you look. Oops, that's because we modified it a bit. Yeah, and then you go to matching terms, which is this one here, and then you go matching terms again, and then here you take free, no copyright, AI music generator. You select that AI music generator. Where is it? Free music, no copyright AI generator. You just select a few keywords here, and then of course it's going to be related to your video. You go here, and then you paste them, and then when your video is ready to do the upload, you copy all those, and then you paste them in your video, in your when you do the upload, in your tags. You use them as tags, and you can use them actually in your YouTube description, but you need to insert them like nicely, as humanly as possible. Like in this video, we're gonna learn how to make free AI music generator 2025 with no copyright, like this, so YouTube will know and you can rank for this keyword. So you can use VidiQ to look for the keyword, and then to grab other keywords, you use them as tags, and you can use other keywords in your video description. And of course there's other, like thumbnails and outliers, ideas. There's a lot of stuff in here. You can also look for competitors with VidiQ. But for this video, we're only gonna do the keyword research.